I like to wash my noodles. Okay. Later, when this is boiled, we're gonna put our noodles here. And you'll see this is gonna be, this water gonna go away. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. Yes, this is the fried noodles we called pancit in Philippines. We called pancit. You can put any meat that you want. You can use pork or chicken. Usually, or shrimp. You can put shrimp, seafoods. You can use seafoods. I'm making my hot chocolate. My stomach is aching now. Okay. Just bear with me. Okay. Now, just wait until it's boiled. I should cover it, but it's okay. Don't matter. I'm making my hot chocolate here. I haven't had my breakfast. I just woke up because it's vacation, you know. So you woke up late and sleep late. Okay. You can put just maybe 5 minutes more and we can put it. And of course, my cell phone is no battery. I forgot to charge it, but it's okay. I'll make it. Yan. Wait for a little bit. And I'll let you know when we're gonna put it. This is very, very quick, especially if you just cook a little bit. This is very quick. And if you cover it, it's gonna be like easy to boil. But it's just I don't want to cover it because I know I'm on live, then people don't see what I'm cooking if I cover it. Oh, so nice to drink hot chocolate. I like coffee, but my tummy don't like coffee. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everyone here. I hope you subscribe on my channel for more games for my son and for more cooking. Okay, I think it's we can put it now. Hold on. And if the taste still not enough, you can just taste later and then add what's needed to be added. You can put some pepper if you want hot. You can put pepper, any pepper that you want. But because there's kids that will eat, so I don't put. Okay, let's put our